I'll share how I go through each one of my videos and identify its scan type and its field order. And I use an old software called DGINdex, and I have a drag and drop batch file that I use to go ahead and bring up DGINdex and run it, which the only part you need is this. The rest of it is excess coding. But all you need to do is just drag and drop, and you can close the DOS window and everything will shut down without doing a log file. Alright, so let's try one. This is drag and drop. There's the video playing, and we're going to look at the scan type, and it's called frame type here. This is interlaced. I'm going to look at the aspect ratio. It's a 16:3. So when I go to transcode, I'll know what aspect ratio and what scaling to use. I need to encode it with interlaced, and a lot of these interlacers want to know is it top field first or bottom field first. So we go to field order, and there's top. So it's a 16:9 interlaced top field first. To close that. Now we know what that is. So here are some drag and drop batch files. It's 16:9. Top field first means it's interlaced. Bottom field first means it's interlaced. And pro is progressive. Now this is a batch file. This is top field first 16:9. And we'll take a look. And all it is a renaming tool. So if I drag and drop, it'll rename whatever file I put on there and add the prefix. So I'll be able to identify it later and process it accordingly. 16:9, top field first, release it, and boom, there we go. Now I already know all of these are interlaced top field first, but if you don't check them, you'll end up with a bottom field first, or you may end up with a progressive, and then when you go to process it, it's all jacked up and you're trying to figure out why. So take your time and actually go through each one of the videos, identify what's what. Interlaced, top, 16:9. Interlaced, top field first, 16:9. Now with this prefix, I can use some filtering with my batch file later to process these videos accordingly, whether they're interlaced or top field first, bottom field first, 16:9 or 4:3. As if we were to scale a 4:3 video to 1280 by 720, then it would be in a 16:9 aspect ratio and it would look wrong. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 16:9s at 1280 by 720 and 4:3s at 960 by 720, which is the 4:3 aspect ratio.